I have sage, but who knows where it's at. So poultry season will work. 1 can of cream of chicken soup, any store brand will work. You don't have to have the Campbell's. If that's what you like, you get Campbell's. I buy whatever's on sale. Kroger was on sale today, so that's what I'm using. And then I'm going to add chicken broth. Whatever chicken broth is on sale. Homemade, store-bought chicken broth, chicken bouillon. Just a little bit, you know, you got to have some moisture in your dressing. And how much? That's up to you. You want it a thick consistency, but not too thick consistency. So, alright, I'm going to turn my blender thing on and get to working. Now, you don't have to use a blender to do this part, but it sure does help. This chopper I'm using was not very expensive. I got it about 2 years ago. I got it at Lidl's. That's one of my favorite stores. I got Lidl's and Aldi's I shop at. So that's what I do. You just want it semi-thick consistency, you know. It doesn't matter, but I'm going to add a couple of eggs in here anyway. Now, if you can't have eggs, you can leave it out. It will thicken back up. But with eggs, it makes it a little thicker when you're cooking it. If I was cooking this to take to my nephew's house, there would be no eggs because he's allergic to eggs. And we don't want him to go to the hospital on, you know, my cooking. So we're going to leave those out. And I'm just going to put 2 eggs. You can put more. And then all that chicken I had, I'm going to take and crumble the chicken up in it. You know, I'm going to crumble the chicken up in it too, so. Anyway. Alright, let's get to blending again. Now, you can add more eggs if you like I said. The more eggs, the firmer your dressing. I like mine kind of on the soft side, so I don't add that much. And I've got enough dressing here probably to make for 2 meals or 3, you know, 2 patches. That is delicious. I know you shouldn't be tasting it with egg in it, but I'm not dead yet. I'm 65. Alright. Gonna get one of my pans and put some in it. And I'll be right back. Okay, now I've added my chicken on top. And now I'm going to add a little bit more of the, dressing mix. Just to cover this up a little bit. It will swell up and cover it up a little bit. And you can press it down and cover it up yourself. But that's my way of doing it right now. And I'm going to put this in the oven for about 30-40 minutes. I don't know. Till it's done. You know how... If you remember your grandma's dressing... This is going to slap your brain. So that's my dressing recipe. Yep, that's what I'm doing. Alright, I've got 2 more. I've got all that left. It's going in another one of these pans and going to get cooked. It's going to be so yummy. Now, you don't have to put the chicken in it, but I did because I had it. So, anyway. Alright, we'll talk to y'all. We'll, see the results on the next video. Bye.